So in this question, what it is given that the area of the region x comma y is to xy is less than 8 and 1 y is less than 1 and greater than 1 and less than equal to x square is. So here two conditions are given. First we have to make a graph and we have to find the area of the region. So let's see this. So here this is the graph and we have to find this area. So it is simple question. So what it will become is and the condition they have given is xy is less than equal to 8, x into y coordinate is less than equal to 8 and y is greater than 1 and less than x square. So simply what we can write is x y we can write y as 8 by x. So substitute we are taking this condition. So what it will become, 8 by x is equal to x square. So simply integrate first from 1 to 2 and then 2 to 8. So x square minus 1 dx from 1 to 2 and 8 by x minus 1 from 2 to 8 dx. So what we will get is 16 log 2 minus 14 by 3. So it is option B is the correct answer.